Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tany for those who are new. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a face mask using a t-shirt. Before I start with the video, I just want to say that this idea is not mine. I saw a lady making a mask with a t-shirt and I found it really cool and I wanted to share it on my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. First, you're gonna need a t-shirt and a pair of scissors. You don't have to use a new t-shirt. You can use an old t-shirt that you don't use anymore to do this face mask. So now that you have your string here, you're gonna cut it into two, like this. You have a long now that I have my arm and the string, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this and put it inside the arm that you just got, like this. So you're gonna end up with something like this. Okay, so now it's time to put on our face mask. So you're gonna take it, put it like this, hold this very well. Hold it. And that's it. Here you have it. You have your face mask. Also, you can take a paper to put it inside a tissue to make a filter. So like that, you are well protected. You see? You can adjust it to fit your face. And ta-da! Here you have your face mask. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. Give me a thumbs up, comment and subscribe for more videos.
Then you have magic.